Model, 60-plate Citroen Relay Boxer 35 2.2 HDI 120 long wheelbase, 16-seater minibus wheel ramp access 12 months MOT 73 km. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 73,277. MOT, the 25th of May 2026. Engine, 2198 CCF1CE0481D120 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Fresh 12 months MOT genuine one-owner minibus, very well maintained, ready to go straight on the road. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage.